Hello friends. So in previous lecture we have studied about inductive effect, that is one of the electronic effect which is a temporary or permanent effect. It's a permanent effect, okay, because it occurred in a molecule. अब ये इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट के दो टाइप्स है, वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे पहले और फिर उसके बाद रेजोनेंस इफेक्ट हम देखेंगे, ठीक है. सो लेट अस राइट अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट. राइट डाउन टाइप्स ऑफ इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट. टाइप्स ऑफ इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट. Types of inductive effect, and they are positive I effect, that is positive inductive effect, positive inductive effect, or you can say electron releasing effect, electron releasing effect. Note down these two effects. And second is negative inductive effect. Negative inductive effect. It is shown by minus I, or it is also called electron withdrawing effect. Electron withdrawing effect. Note down these two effects. We will discuss this one by one. Okay, so positive inductive effect and negative inductive effect, that is plus I effect and minus I effect. So you see positive inductive effect or electron releasing, or you can say electron donating effect. It is shown by plus I. Okay, so first of all we will see positive inductive effect. Okay, so हमने inductive effect में एक example देखा था chloroethane, friends. Okay, in that you can understand this positive inductive effect and negative inductive effect. Now which group shows positive inductive effect and which group shows negative inductive effect? Okay, now see again that example, chloroethane, that is ethyl chloride, CH3CH2Cl. We know that chlorine is more electronegative atom here, so it withdraws electron density which makes this covalent bond polar and it takes partial negative charge. Here it takes partial positive charge because electron density is withdrawn by chlorine. Due to this polarity created, the polarity is induced in this covalent bond, so this bond becomes also polar. This carbon withdraws this shared pair of electron towards it, so there develops partial positive charge on this carbon also. Okay, now look at the structure. You will understand that this chlorine is withdrawing electrons from the group. Suppose we take this ethyl group. Okay, so ethyl group totally it is giving electrons in the direction towards the chlorine. Okay, so chlorine here withdraws electron density, hence it is showing electron withdrawing inductive effect because it is electron withdrawing. Okay, so it is electron withdrawing means it is showing minus I effect or negative inductive effect. Okay, so how it shows minus inductive effect or negative inductive effect? It withdraws electron density towards it. Okay, and hence it is showing minus I effect. Okay, and the group which is donating electrons to this group, it is showing electron releasing or electron donating or positive inductive effect. Okay, so the examples of plus I effect, remember the groups which show plus I effect: methyl group or ethyl group. They gives or donate electron density to the electronegative atom. Okay, and the minus I effect, the group which shows electron withdrawing character. These are Cl, Br, I. Okay, this shows NO2, Cn, COOR. NO2 means nitro group. It withdraws electron density once it is attached to the carbon. Then cyano group, cyano group, then carboxy group COOH, carboxy group, ester group, they all withdraws electron density when they are attached to the carbon. Okay, aryl oxy group, this is aryl, this is O, hence it is called aryl oxy group, etc. So they show minus I effect. Once they are attached to the carbon, they withdraws electron density from the carbon, hence these groups shows minus I effect. Remember. Okay, so these are the examples of what? Positive inductive effect or plus I effect, and negative inductive effect, that is minus I effect. Okay, so we will take question on this so that it will get understandable to you. Okay, so how these group shows positive inductive effect and negative inductive effect. Which group shows positive inductive effect, and out of this, suppose if the group is showing minus I effect, now in that which group will show more minus I effect, more negative inductive effect, that we'll see by the example. Okay, so take one question on this. We'll see question on it so that it will get more clear to you. Write down, consider the following molecules and answer the question. Consider the following molecules and answer the question. The questions. Okay. Now take the molecules. CH3, CH2, CH2Cl, CH3, CH2, CH2Br, CH3, CH2, CH2I. Okay, these are the three molecules. What type of inductive effects is expected to occur, you can say, or expected to operate in molecule? First question. Second question, out of these three molecules, identify the molecule having strongest and weakest inductive effect. Identify the molecule having strongest and weakest I effect, whether it is plus I or minus I. Okay. Now see here the answer we have to give here. Now there are three molecules: CH3, CH2, CH2Cl, CH3, CH2, CH2Br, CH3, CH2, CH2I. Now in the all molecules, this chlorine, bromine, iodine, they show which type of inductive effect? They show electron withdrawing inductive effect, because all they are halogens, and we know the property or characteristics of halogen that in a molecule, whenever they are attached to any atom, they are more electronegative, so they withdraw electron density towards them. Okay, so they show minus I effect. So what is the answer of this first question? What type of inductive effect operate in these molecules? Write down the groups responsible for inductive effect. Answer of first, the groups responsible for inductive effect are dash Cl, dash Br and dash I respectively. Now all these halogens, they are electronegative. Okay, so they will show all these halogens, they are electronegative. Right now all halogens are electronegative. Hey, than carbon, you can say, and hence they exert minus I effect, that is electron withdrawing inductive effect, that is minus I negative inductive effect. Now what is the answer of second question, friends? Out of these three, you know that electronegativity, we have seen the electronegativity concept in the modern periodic table. And what is that? What is the electronegativity? It is the ability to attract shared pair of electron towards it. अगर आपने ये तीन मॉलिक्यूल्स देखे CH3 CH2 CH2Cl CH3 CH2 CH2Br CH3 CH2 CH2I, out of these three molecules, each molecule contains one halogen, and ClBrI, if we compare these three halogens, out of these three halogens, chlorine is having more electronegativity. Okay, so if you see answer of second, electronegativity of Cl is greater than Br, which is having greater electronegativity, than I, okay, iodine. Hence the strongest minus I effect is observed in which molecule? CH3 CH2 CH2 Cl, and weakest I effect, minus I effect, will be observed in, and weakest minus I effect will be observed in CH3 CH2 CH2I. Okay, it is called N-propyl iodide. So what will be the name of this compound? N-propyl chloride. Okay, so remember this, note down these points, answers actually. Okay, so this is one question related with the inductive effect. Now we will discuss about the second question that is related with the inductive effect. Okay, types of inductive effect: minus I effect and plus I effect. Okay, now see second question related with the inductive effect concept. Okay, write down that question. Which of the, second question, which of the CH3CHCl2 and CH3CH2Cl, दो मॉलिक्यूल दिए आपको, is expected to have greater minus I effect? अब देखो दोस्तों, यहाँ पे 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स आपको दिखाया है। फर्स्ट मॉलिक्यूल, आप अगर आपका कंसेप्ट क्लियर है तो आप इजीली इसका आंसर दे सकते हो। देखो माइनस आई इफेक्ट वो ग्रुप दिखाते हैं जो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है। अब इसमें इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम 2 है। 2 chlorines are attached to the carbon and here only 1 chlorine is attached to the carbon. Okay, so in this case more electron density is withdrawn from this carbon because there are 2 electronegative atoms, and in this case chlorine withdraws electron density but to a lesser extent because there is only 1 chlorine. एक ही क्लोरीन है तो वो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी खींचेगा लेकिन कम, लेकिन यहाँ पे 2 क्लोरीन है तो 2 क्लोरीन ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी खींचेंगे। ओके, सो फर्स्ट मॉलिक्यूल विल हैव greater minus I effect than second molecule. Okay, so write down the answer. The group exerting minus I effect in CH3 CH2Cl is 1. एक ही ग्रुप है इसमें जो माइनस आई इफेक्ट दिखाता है, डैश Cl, दैट इज डैश Cl, एंड इन CH3 CHCl2 in CH3 CHCl2 there are 2 chlorines or there are 2 chlorine atoms. Okay, they are showing minus I effect. Therefore CH3 CHCl2 CH3 CHCl2 will exert larger minus I effect. Okay, this is the answer of the question. Note down the answer. So this is what the answer of these 2 questions. Okay, hope you understood the electron withdrawing, that is minus I effect, and electron releasing, that is positive I effect, positive inductive effect. Okay, so we have covered the questions related with it. Now we will move to the next concept, and that is resonance. Before that we will study the resonance structures. Okay.